Stay back, I got a chainsaw. Uh-oh.
Okay, this one's a showstopper for all the punk rockers. Crank up that radio, it's time for some anarchy in a rabbit hole.
Look out!